exciting news. Applications for our next Cybersecurity Accelerator cohort are now open. We only run 2 cohorts a year, one in April and one in September. Spaces are limited, and if you've been wondering whether cybersecurity is right for you, send me a message for more information. My name is Kimberly Simon, and I help non-technical professionals transition into cybersecurity. Welcome to this video. On this video, I will be talking about imposter syndrome. One of the biggest things that I see is not a lack of talent. It's people talking themselves out of opportunities. They say things like, I'm not technical enough to get into cybersecurity, or they say things like, I'm too old to get into cybersecurity. I don't have an IT background, so nobody would hire me. Uh, all of those things are limiting beliefs. All of those things are imposter syndrome. Here's the truth. Almost everyone experiences imposter syndrome when they're learning something new. In fact, if you feel uncomfortable, that's usually a sign that you're growing. So here are some actionable things that you can do today to address your imposter syndrome. The first thing is to write down 3 things that you've learned in the last month or in the last quarter. That shows you that you can learn and that you can actually accomplish things. The second thing is to stop saying, I don't know enough, and start saying, I'm still learning. Everybody's always still learning. The third thing is to apply for cybersecurity roles when you meet 60% of the requirements. You don't have to meet 100% of everything. Remember, employers don't hire people who know everything. They hire people who are curious, who are coachable, and who are willing to learn. If you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Our Cybersecurity Accelerator teaches you how to think, how to speak, and how to position yourself for entry-level cybersecurity positions. You'll learn from industry professionals, you'll build a portfolio, you will practice interviewing, and you're going to gain the confidence that you need to put yourself forward. Applications are open now, and remember, we only run 2 cohorts a year, and spots are limited. Send me a message to learn more. See you in the next video.